Test mic. What's up guys, Learning with Rich here again. In this video, like I have promised last time, we are going to create a wiring in this video. Alright, so in this exercise, we're going to create and work with electrical wiring in our project. Alright, so let's say for example, we need to complete the lighting layout in our design. And for us to be able to do this, we are going to place lighting fixtures, and then after that, we are going to generate wiring and create home run wires. All right, so that is what we are going to do. So as you can see, this portion here, we don't have wires here, but the rest already have wires, okay? Because if we're going to put all the wirings in this building, it will take a lot of time for this video. So that's why we're just going to make it on this portion here. Okay, so we do the following. We are going to place an electrical device. Okay, and then after that, we're going to generate our circuit wiring. We can do that automatically, or we can also do that manually. And then we are going to create, or we are going to display wire tick marks. And then we're going to create a home run wire. And then we're going to create a multiple circuit home run wire. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. So to start with, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to place electrical devices. Okay, just like this one. So there's an electrical devices already in this room. So we're going to put it here as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, since we already have a device here or our receptacles, I'm going to click this and then I'll just type CS. CS stands for create similar. Okay, or you can click the element that you want to copy and then right click, and then you can select create similar. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, and then our duplex receptacle is a hosted family, so we need to move it along the wall. So that's the host, our wall. So I'm going to place it here, one. I'm going to place here another one, then here as well. All right, so this will gonna be my receptacle. So I'm going to put another one here, and then one here as well. There you go. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to select here modify. Now the next thing that what I'm going to do is just like what we did last time on our electrical circuit exercise, we are going to create here a power circuit. Okay, so to create a power circuit, we are going to select one of the lighting fixture, or I mean the duplex receptacle that we have placed here. We're going to select one of that element, like for example this one. And then from the create systems, you will see here power. Okay, so it creates a power circuit for the selected electrical device. So I'm going to select this one. And then after that, I'm going to select here edit circuit. Okay, so I'm going to select edit circuit. Why? Because I want to include the other three receptacles that I have here. Okay, so I'm going to select edit circuit, and then add to circuit by default is already selected. So I'm going to select this receptacle, this one, and then this one. Okay, and then after that, we are going to assign these receptacles to our panel, to our power panel. So to do that, we're going to select here, select panel. So I'm going to select panel, and then I'm going to select here my panel, let's say PP-1N. Okay, this one. So this is the panel. So I'm going to click that. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to finish editing circuit. All right, so that is what we did last time when we create our wiring. Okay, now if you are going to hover your pointer to one of the fixture that is included to the circuit that we just created, you can press the tab, and then you will notice it will show you some dotted lines that actually represents for the wire if you're going to create it automatically, as well as the boundary of that particular circuit. So that is what we're going to do. We are going to create an automatic circuit wiring. We're going to generate an automatic circuit wiring. We're going to do it automatically, and we're also going to do that manually. Okay? All right, so I'm going to move my pointer, press tab, and then once you see that dotted lines that represents the wire, so you just need to click that to select the circuit. And then there is this convert to wire panel here, wherein you can select here arc wire or chamfered wire. Okay, so in our exercise, I'll just use here arc wire. So I'll click this one. You can actually select this symbol here, so it's the same. Right, so I'm going to click the arc wire, and there you go. Okay, so we just created now our wiring. So you can, as you can see, there's the home run there. So there's a home run, so you can click that, and then you can actually move that, and then you can click that small circle there. Just let's say you want to point that to PP-1N. Okay, so that's how you generate it automatically. So now the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to create wiring manually for our receptacles. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. Okay, so now, but before that, let me just click the tag by category here. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to turn off the leader line, and then I'll just tag this. Okay, so it says number 5. Okay, so just put summary here. Right, so let us now create a manual wiring. So let's say, for example, to these two receptacles here. So I'm just going to select here the systems, and then let's select the wire here. So I'm going to click this one, and then the type of wire that I'm going to use is XHHW. Okay, and then I'm going to click here. You click there at this point. There you go. Then you click another point here, and then you click another point here. There you go. So you click the point. All right. Okay, and then we also do that to the receptacles here. Okay, so make sure you click the point, and then you click here, and then you click here. There you go. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to click another one here. Okay, and then I'm going to click one here, and then I'm going to click another point here. So as you can see, it will generate the home run automatically. Now let us create another wiring here. So I select the wire, click the point, click here, and then click another one here. There you go. Okay. Now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to display the wire tick marks. Okay, so the tick marks. So if we are going back to our electrical settings here, if you click that one, and then you go to the wiring, as you can see, there is no tick marks that is loaded here. There's no tick mark, right? So that is what we're going to do next. We are going to load a tick mark. Okay, so to load a tick mark, so from the insert tab, I'm going to select load family, and then I'll look for electrical, MEP, electric power. No, not that one. How about symbol? Annotation, electrical, and then tick marks. Okay, so I'm going to load here my long wire tick mark. Okay, and then I'm going to select here open. All right, so it's now loaded. So we are now going to put that on our electrical settings. So I click the electrical settings, or you type ES, and then you go to wiring. You can check here your uh, tick mark. Okay, so let's say you click the drop down, you just apply your tick mark here. Okay, and then after that, just always ensure that the tick marks is showing here. So just select always and then OK. And there you go. You see, that's now your tick mark. Okay, you can actually click the wire here, and if you want, you can lessen your tick mark or you can add more tick marks to it. Okay, all right, so there's our home run, by the way. So if I'm going to connect that here, okay, if I'm going to connect that there, so what will happen is it will create a multiple circuit home run wire. Okay, you see this one? So I'm going to connect that here. So notice this portion here, there will be a new tag that will be added. So I'm going to connect this. So this circuit is what? Circuit number 4. So I click that and then I am going to connect that there to that point. And there you go. So once you connect that, it will now shows here 4 and 5. As you can see, there's a 2 home run here. So it's a multiple circuit home run that is pointing to PP-1N, which is circuit 4 and 5. Okay, so basically, by the way, your wiring is just a 2D and 2D object, so it's not 3D. Okay, so basically, it's not that difficult to create your wiring, and this is how you do it. So you have two ways of creating your wire. It's either automatically or manually. All right, so hopefully, guys, you learned something from this video. If you have any comments, suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.